link in the description box. Number 2 is the official FLSUN Delta 3D printer. It introduced the ultimate tool for shoe enthusiasts and creators, the official FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer. Brace yourself for a wild ride into the world of high-speed printing and mind-blowing acceleration. This printer is a speed demon, capable of reaching a mind-boggling 400 mm per second for lightning-fast printing, while its acceleration tops a whopping 8,000 plus mm/s superscript 2. Prepare to be mesmerized by the FLSUN Speeder Pad, a sleek 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen that brings your printing experience to life. Crafted with 3K grade material used in high-end drones, this beauty boasts a 10 mm thick carbon fiber rod, aerospace aluminum housing, and POM bearing wear resistance. Say goodbye to frustrating first layers with the self-developed leveling algorithm of the FLSUN V400. With 25 points of compensation, it effortlessly tackles any machining errors and even detects broken materials along the way. Unlock a world of possibilities with the bimetal 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, allowing you to experiment with a wide range of filaments like PLA, PLA+, wood, TPU, ABS, PETG, PC, and nylon. Make sure to try it first. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.